Welcome to Growing Old. Photos, vegetation.
Cause we're planting seeds in sacred ground. We cultivate with purpose, heart and soul. Cannabis as medicine, that's our goal. In our greenhouse, sunshine streams and glows.
Well, here at Growing Old, you know we love our auto pots. And now we have a code that can help you save 10%. Growing Old. Don't forget the Goats Raffle. 7 June, 7 p.m. Eastern. Lots of genetics. Okay, so we'll start off here once again with our CBDs. And if you remember this one, it started out pretty shaky because the soil, it wasn't what I normally use, but I top watered it pretty good, and I think her roots are finally reaching down there, and she's starting to look pretty good. Next door, we had the same issue here because I had to use some of the dirt, some of the soil, but I think it was more dirt. In this one too, and it's just started to take off. I did hand water it a little bit. I'm gonna have to do a little trimming, but she's getting some bud slice build up. She'll be nice and good. And now we start getting into our big ones. This is the first Peyote Forum, and I trim a few leaves off of it like every day, and they just keep coming back. This thing is going gangbusters. And I'm trying to do a little training. I got some more clips coming in that maybe I can hold them out a little straight. I'm trying to do some training so I can get it out as much as I can. But she's starting to look pretty good. And if you look at how thick it is, you know, the sun does a lot of that, but that's these auto pots. I mean, you can't beat them. I mean, that's how they grow in these auto pots. And then this here's the big one in the greenhouse, another Peyote Forum. And yeah, you can just see how big she's getting, and I'm trying to get her all kind of moved out so she can grow up in here. And again, lots of bud sites. And if you just look at the stalk, man, I mean, that thing is getting really thick. Again, auto pots. Down here next is our first Peyote Kush, and she's looking pretty nice. I mean, at first I didn't know what was going on, but I mean, she's really looking pretty. I mean, she comes out, got all these little bud sites, everything's growing out. You can see there. What I like to do is come out while they're still small enough, and I'll rotate them like half a turn every night so that the next day they can get all the newts and get all the sun they need. And now we cross over. Here's our last Peyote Forum, and you can see she's growing pretty good. Like to get her. She's starting to get thick. She's starting to thicken up pretty good. Again, auto pots, but starting to get some good bud sites, and we'll try to get her trimmed down. But she's growing pretty good. And then this is our last photo, our Peyote Kush that is in between. Doesn't know flower, doesn't know veg. I think she started the veg again because the buds aren't getting bigger, but I'm just gonna leave her the way she is, and we'll get, you know, she is what she is, and we'll get what we get. But I can tell you that just moving those leaves like that thing is super sticky. Super sticky. Well, last thing I'd like to bring up is our heaters. I plan on this week being the last week these heaters are in here, because next week is the first week of June. Yes, so I shouldn't need the heaters anymore. It'll clear up some space. We'll be putting the tray to go out here, and we'll see how it goes. I'd like to thank all of our subscribers and viewers. Thanks.
Watching green leaves sprouting happy rows. Our babies growing bigger, strong and tall, answering nature's ancient healing call.